Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to understand the demonstration of portfolio management project using Python or machine learning. And here we are talking about the investment portfolio. So number of people invest in stock market, maybe in FDs or maybe in gold or in government bonds and so many things. But actually there is no clear cut idea, or most of the times while doing the investment or the financial investment, we are not having that much financial knowledge as in common people, and we just randomly invest, or we invest as the other people are suggesting. So here we are proposing a software which will tell us what should be the best investment portfolio, what should be the best investment plan according to your own profile. Because generally what happens, the financial advisors, or maybe there are so many YouTube channels who promote the investing, they just talk about this a general idea about the investment, but individuals investment could be different, or its individuals risk appetite could be different, or maybe the salary could be different, or any other thing like dependent number of dependents on that person, and so many aspects are there which will be different. Based on that, the system should predict where you should invest. So that is the idea behind this project, and that is the main problem this project is going to solve. So here we are having a data set in which we have so many entries, and these entries are related to the maybe whether you want to invest for long term, whether you are having loan, whether you are salaried, whether you are married or unmarried, so such kind of things, and so many number of dependents on you. So all those things we are going to consider, and based on that the machine learning model is trained, and this trained machine learning model will predict the suitable investment plan for the particular person, and that will be based on whatever inputs that user is giving. So we have designed one form, and in which that user has to put the data. Now, as far as the backend part is concerned, for the backend purpose, we are using Python programming language, and at the front end side, we are using HTML and CSS programming languages. And also, the Flask framework of Python is used for the web development. So once you run the code, you will have to hit this localhost colon 5000 on the portal, and then you're having this kind of interface. This is static page, and either you can register or you can log in. So if you are already registered, then you can go for login, and then you can put your credentials, and using your credentials you can log into the system. And once you log in, then you will be redirected to this particular portal, that is this one. So here first of all there is a button called predict portfolio. So here you have to put your details. Now you'll enter your details, and the first question, whether gender, then whether you are married or unmarried, so number of dependents on you, whether you are having investment in FD, whether you are having previous investment in the gold, or whether you are having investment in the stock, whether you are having investment in law, land, bond, even the crypto, all these parameters, and how much risk you can take. So whether you are going to take high risk, medium risk, or low risk. So based on that, the plan will be suggested. So if I consider medium risk, and whether you are having any active loans, so that means if you're having loan already, you are having something to pay. So in that case, the risk should be minimum. And also the active EMI, whether you are having, whether you are planning long term or short term. So based on that, so all this information will be collected from the user, and then I have to click on submit button, and at the end it will suggest me some plan. So as per this, I should invest 5% of my whatever. For example, let's say I want to invest 100 rupees at the end of the month. So out of 100, 5 rupees should go in FD. Out of that, 10 rupees should go in gold, and 10 rupees should go in bonds, and 70 rupees should go in stock market, and 5% should go into crypto. Now this is calculated by understanding the different inputs you have given, your risk appetite, and so many, even all the factors. So whatever things we have considered here, these are the features. So out of that, only the name and yeah, the age is also important. Only the name is the thing which is not considered for the prediction, but rest of the things, the combination of that on which the machine learning model is trained, and that will calculate your portfolio. And also you can check your history also. So whenever you just log in and you check the name of that user and the date and time and the plan. So account there are four different plans we are suggesting. So 0, 1, 2, and 3. So based on that, here it will be. So that way we are going to calculate the plan or suggest the particular plan to particular user. So that's all about the complete implementation of this project. In case you need any kind of support or code of this project, then you can check the description box under this video. Thank you.